Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the lesson Adventure. We have already learned how to read words by joining the sounds. We have already learned some sounds in our previous class. They are cla, C-L, cla, pla, P-L, pla, fla, F-L, fla, spla, S-P-L, spla. So, these are all the sounds we have already learnt in our previous class. Now, we will learn how to write words by breaking them into sounds. Refer SR 6. Okay, listen to the word clap, clap. Beginning word is clap. C-L, clap. Middle sound is a, a. End sound is ip, p, ip. So, clap. Okay, so I write the word by breaking the sound of the word into the beginning, middle and end sounds. Let us see some more examples. Okay, now I will say some words and you will write the words in your notebook. Okay, this is dictation. If you take your rough note and write it down. First word is flat, flat. F-L, fla, a, a, it, t, flat. Second word is plod, plod, P-L, pla, o, id, d, plod, plod. Third word is clog, clog, C-L, claw, C-L, claw, o, ig, g, clog. Fourth word is clam, C-L, cla, C-L, cla, a, m, clam. F-L, next word is fled, fled. F-L, fla, F-L, fla, E, A, id, d, fled. Okay, these are all for today's class, children. Thank you.